Hey Unbox fam, welcome back to the channel where we take awesome out of the box. My name is Jamie, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at Huawei's new wearables to see which one is the right one for you, and we're also asking the opinion of the mob. Here we go. Okay guys, so I guess I'm gonna go first, and the one I have with me is the Huawei Band 4E, and I guess I'm gonna call this the bunso of the bunch since it's the most affordable one. It's less than 1,400 pesos. So I guess I'm gonna liken this to a game that I used to play, which is Ragnarok Online. If you're a novice, this is the one you're gonna get because, again, it's very basic. It won't have the same features as the other ones. So this one can track your steps, your sleep, things like that. It's very affordable, so that's the first reason why. The second reason is if you're a basketball addict, this can actually track and help you improve your game. So you can actually slip this onto your shoe and it can track your vertical leap, how many times you jump, and stuff like that. If I was still playing basketball, or if I had this watch when I was still in basketball varsity, this would definitely have helped me in my game because I could track how much I was moving, or if I needed to be moving off the ball a little bit more. If I also trained my vertical leap so I could jump higher, so I could possibly dunk. But yeah, this would definitely be a huge help. The third reason why you want to pick this up is actually the battery life. This one, with continuous use, you can actually use it for 40 hours. So that's almost 4 days. Continuous use, that's not standby time. Standby time, it can last for 2 weeks. Siguro if you're running a marathon, siguro naman by 40 hours tapos ka na, no? Or umuwi ka na at lahat-lahat. But yeah, definitely the battery life, it won't stop until you stop, I guess. So yeah, battery life definitely worth checking out. Again, it's 1390 if I'm not mistaken. So again, if you're gonna check out a smartwatch for the very first time or a fitness band for the very first time, this is definitely a solid option.
Hey guys, it's your Tech Girl Mary, and I'm here sa video ng Unbox PH for me to explain the Huawei Band 4 and why is it for you. So this is the Huawei Band 4 box guys, and what I have is yung amber sunrise na color, and we also have the sakura pink, and I think may black one din sila. So we have 3 varieties, and sabihin ko na agad yung price before I explain why this watch is for you. It retails for 1,890 pesos. So I have 3 reasons why the Huawei Band 4 is for you. Unang-una, obviously, this watch is really small, and 24 grams, you won't even feel na nasa wrist mo siya. So, plus points kasi yun for a watch na magaang siya and also manipis lang. Actually guys, I'm not the type of person who always exercise, and hindi talaga ako fitness person na pupunta sa gym to I don't know what you call it, but I will be very honest with you, mas madalas akong maglakad, and I have sleeping problems. Since Huawei Band 4 will track my sleep, may app siya guys na ang tawag is Health App. It really helps, and natatrack niya. Alam niyo yung, hindi lang yung sleep ko by the way, meron din siyang heart rate monitoring. And the fact na it is precise and accurate, and being able to track my progress from time to time is actually a big deal for me. Another reason why I really like the Huawei Band 4 is wala siyang cord. Actually, nung in-unbox ko tong box na to, I was looking for the cord. Sabi ko, may nawawala. And then only to find out na plug and charge siya. So basically, all you have to do is pull this yung nasa pinaka baba niya. Bababa mo lang to. Girl, but sa ilalim, dun maaalisan. Then all you have to do is connect it sa isang USB port. Easy as that. You don't even have to charge it every day like compared to other smartwatches na it doesn't even last for a day. And I know you guys know what I'm talking about. So, I think Huawei claimed na 7 days yung kaya niyang itagal. But right now kasi ika-3rd day ko pa lang, and it's still alive actually. So, I will let you guys know if it will really last for 7 days. Also guys, if you want a more thorough video about the Huawei Band 4, meron akong video on my channel. So click the link below na lang guys.
Hey guys, Carlo here. So the question we're going to ask is, why should you buy a smartwatch? When it comes to smartwatches, one of the very best that you can get from Android or at least your Google phones is of course the Huawei Watch GT2. Now, why do I love the Huawei Watch GT2? Several reasons. Number one, it is one of the nicest looking smartwatches that you can find today. A lot of the smartwatches in the market look like they came from the future and that they don't really fit the current style that we have today. Medyo pang 2050 siya, hindi siya pang 2019 or 2020. This one features a more classic look, especially with the glass, the 3D glass I think that they use for the top of, sabihin ko upper, no talaga sneakers, for the top of the watch, and it just looks timeless and it looks classic and it looks great. In fact, I've been getting compliments on the watch ever since I put it on, and that's always a great thing. If you go down to the reason why you'd want to watch in the first place, want to wear a watch in the first place, it's really all about the style and it being a nice accessory. Now, apart from that, smartwatches, by default, by the name, is also, well, smart. So if you take a look at classic watches, they just are timepieces on your wrist. This one comes with a lot of features that you would actually want to maximize. Now, please do take note that there is a learning curve, because if you don't know what the features are, usually you'll just leave it at your wrist and take a look at it every time you have notifications. But smartwatches are more than just notifications because of all the built-in sensors that they have. Now, I won't go through all of the features of the Huawei Watch GT2. You'll have to watch the full review on my channel when that drops. I'll put the link down below, or they'll put the link down below. But what I can tell you, my favorite feature today is the stress tracker. So it actually checks out your, I think, your heart rate, your usual whatever metrics they're able to track within when it comes to your body, and it monitors if you are stressed or not. And when you are stressed, there's actually like a breathing exercise that you can do to be able to lower your heart rate so that you're more into the, I don't know, chill zone of life so that you don't get a heart attack. So okay naman siya. And lastly, I also love the fact that it has like the sleep tracking thing. I think it was mentioned earlier by Mary that she discovered she had sleeping problems. I actually found out that my deep sleep is not good enough. And I actually wake up multiple times pala during the evening. So having that awareness on your health, sometimes people take that for granted, I think is a big, big thing. So again, it being an amazing piece on your wrist, plus the fact that it is smart and helps you with your fitness, makes it an amazing investment. So check it out, the Huawei Watch GT2.
So that's it, guys. Your quick look at the new wearables from Huawei, the Band 4e, the Band 4, and the Huawei Watch GT2. You can take a look at the individual videos of Mary and Carlo. I will be putting a link down below so you can check them out. So yeah, thank you for spending a couple of minutes with us. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, sub to the channel, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our content. If you have any questions, just leave them down below so yeah, we can answer them. For anything tech related, head to unbox.ph, plus follow us on Facebook and on Instagram. My name is Jamie. Peace, God bless, and I'll see you guys next time.